Experience a premier stay at Hotel de Premiere Minowa in Inawashiro. Welcome to Hotel de Premiere Minowa, a luxurious 4-star hotel nestled in the picturesque town of Inawashiro, Japan. With its convenient location and impeccable service, this hotel offers a premier stay for both business and leisure travelers. Check-in at Hotel de Premiere Minowa begins at 3 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start your vacation or business trip at your own pace. The hotel's warm and welcoming staff will be there to assist you throughout your stay, ensuring a seamless check-in process. With 93 elegantly designed rooms, Hotel de Premiere Minowa offers a variety of accommodation options to suit every traveler's needs. Each room is thoughtfully furnished with modern amenities, providing a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere. Whether you're traveling alone, with a partner, or with family and friends, you'll find the perfect room to make your stay truly memorable. Please note that Hotel de Premiere Minowa's child policy states that children do not stay free of charge. Extra charges may apply for children's accommodation. This policy ensures a peaceful and serene environment for all guests, allowing you to fully enjoy your stay in tranquility. Checkout time at Hotel de Premiere Minowa is until 11 a.m., giving you ample time to savor a delicious breakfast at the hotel's on-site restaurant or explore the beautiful surroundings of Inawashiro. The hotel's convenient location provides easy access to local attractions, including stunning natural landscapes, historical sites, and cultural experiences. Experience the premier hospitality and impeccable service at Hotel de Premiere Minowa. Whether you're here for business or leisure, this hotel promises a memorable stay in the heart of Inawashiro, Japan. Endless entertainment at Hotel de Premiere Minowa. Hotel de Premiere Minowa in Inawashiro, Japan, offers a wide range of entertainment facilities that are sure to keep guests entertained throughout their stay. Whether you're looking to indulge in some retail therapy or unwind with a relaxing massage, this hotel has it all. For those in need of some retail therapy, the hotel features a variety of shops where you can find unique souvenirs and local crafts. After a day of exploring the beautiful surroundings, guests can treat themselves to a rejuvenating massage at the hotel spa. The skilled therapists will help you unwind and release any tension in your body. If relaxation is what you seek, the sauna is the perfect place to unwind and detoxify. The soothing heat will help you relax and rejuvenate. Additionally, the hotel boasts a tranquil garden where guests can take a leisurely stroll and enjoy the serene atmosphere.